Gets right in. She's so happy to get her bath. Did you get that? She gets so excited getting her bath. She gets so happy. She loves her bath. She loves her bath. You can edit this any way you want. She loves her bath. Let's get the water temperature right. Alright, here we go. She's a long-haired doggy now. She says, I got my winter coat on. Oh yeah, she's got my winter coat on. Got my winter coat on. See, I don't like it when she hangs her head out of the tub. And she always does that. I don't know why she does that, but she hangs her head out of the tub. And I always have to push her back in. Here, now. Scoot back a little bit. It's like she's going to drown or something. She thinks she's got to hang her head out of the tub. But I don't know why she does that, but that's what she does. She's getting a bath. Harvey's getting a bath. Alright. She's gonna smell so good. Alright. Here comes the shampoo. Here comes the shampoo. Right one. Australian Miracle. Here we go. Don't get it in the eyes, because it's not doggy shampoo. It's human shampoo. Don't do too much, just a little bit of shampoo. I'm going to back up a little bit. Rub-a-dub-dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Want me to get in with you? A little more shampoo on this one. A little bit more on this side. And then you're going to get a dye job. And then you're going to turn purple. All the soap comes off the puppy. You haven't had a bath in a couple weeks. It's been a couple weeks since you had your bath. Why do you hang your head out? Now put your head back in. Why do you hang your head out? I don't know why you do that, but you do it. Why do you hang your head out? Oh, so soft. You like your bath, Sean? You like your bath? You put up with it anyway. Back up. fun part. Now we get to dye you purple. Alright. Taking the purple dye. Here we go. Come on, you top knot. There we go. Get it in your eyes. My hands are going to be all purple because I don't have gloves. I don't have gloves. So my hands are going to be nice and purple. There we go. You're going to look so pretty tonight. You're going to look so pretty. Hold still. You're getting a little bit too light. You need to be a little bit brighter. Does it smell good? It smells good. Hold still. My hands are going to be so purple. Alright. Rub some on your front. You like being purple? Is purple your color? I think you look good purple. Do you like being purple? Put some on your ears. You like being purple? Purple a good color for you? Oh, we gotta get your tail. I almost forgot your tail. My goodness. What would you be without a purple tail? You'd be pink. You'd be pink, doggy. Where would world peace be? We'd all be crazy. We'd be running around crazy. Crazy in our pink. You can't be crazy. You have to be purple. You can't be the pink dog. You have to be the purple dog. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Good girl. See this side. See how pink you are? You have to be purple. Good girl. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Your hair gets much longer. We're going to have to get 2 of these tubes. You like to be rubbed, don't you? You like that. I bet all the children are going to love to see the purple doggy tonight. All the children are going to love to see you. They're going to want their pictures made with the purple doggy. They're going to think it's magic. They're going to think, how did your doggy get purple? And I'm going to say, Santa Claus did it. I'm going to say, she's magic. She got magically purple. And they're going to look at my hands, and they're going to know I'm not telling the truth. They're going to say, Ellie, you're lying. We know you're lying because your hands are not telling the truth. You're caught. They're going to say, you're caught, Ellie. The children are going to know the truth because they're going to see your hands. I'm going to try to bleach them, but they're going to see the truth. Maybe I'll wear gloves tonight. That's what I'll do. I'll wear gloves. All right, turn around. Looking mighty purple. Let me see if I can get some more of this stuff out happen. I'm getting this all over my new lavender sweater too. You're such a good girl. This is the longest time, she says. This is the hard work. We work hard to be artists, don't we? This is hard work. This is hard work, isn't it? You work hard, don't you, Charmster? She says, I do work hard. I'm a hard-working dog. You see how hard I work? I'm a hard-working dog. You see how hard I work at having fun? I work really hard at having all this fun. I work really hard at having all this fun. All right. I'll let it sit on for a couple minutes. You work hard at having all this fun, sweetheart. You got blue on your face. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. What a good girl you are. You want a treat? You want a treat after this? Who's the prettiest girl? Who's the prettiest girl? Who's the prettiest doggy in the world? Sean is. Sean's the prettiest doggy in the world. My eyes you are. My eyes you are. You're the prettiest doggy in the world. Yes you are. Mama's eyes you are. You're the prettiest doggy in the world. Alright. Alright, back up. You gotta back up. Rinse it off. Got it all off. Don't get too much on your skin, baby. That's her conditioner. See, this is my conditioner. See, I don't get conditioner so much. Look at my hands. I don't think Colorado would like this. I think it's against the law in Colorado to dye your dog. It doesn't hurt my hands though. I mean, I don't have any problem with it. Done it all off. When I used to have horses, we did this. We did this, and this, and this, and we scrape them. And then we get our towel. We wipe it down a little bit. You want to blow dry today? You want to run around a little bit? Whoa, look at you, Charm. My goodness, you look purple. You don't look lavender, you look purple. You look like a purple dog. Come on, this is the pink. Now you look festive. You look festive. We're going to have fun tonight when we go out. Careful. All right, you want to shake? Oh, she wants to shake.